Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Kahoot account. When you're logged in, click the icon in the top right corner and choose Profile Settings. In Profile Settings, scroll down and click Delete Account. Please provide the reason why you want to delete your account. A notification will pop up, warning you that the deletion process will start in 5 days. Your account and all its data will be permanently deleted within 30 days. You can cancel this action within the next 5 days and restore your account from the login page. If you're sure you want to delete your account, continue with the process and click Delete Account. Your email will be available for new registration within 5 days. If you want to speed this up, contact the support team and they'll help you. Enjoy Kahooting!